Hey dear everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's start the video without further ado. First, open your TikTok app. Then choose your favorite video on TikTok app and then click the share button for copy link to get the link of the video. See if you download the video from the TikTok app, then the watermark will definitely remain. So first go to Google Play Store and download SnapTik app. After install the app, open SnapTik app on your phone. Now see a link paste box. Paste the link of the TikTok video in the toolbar. Now click Download and select Server app to save the video to your devices. Finally, you can download a watermark videos from TikTok. I hope everyone understands well. If you like my video, don't forget to like and thank you.